In Microsoft Office, there is a feature called the Mini Toolbar. So I'm going to type that in and show you how this works. Now, whenever you're on the spreadsheet and you select something, up comes this feature called the Mini Toolbar. It allows you to quickly change fonts, so you can go right down the list. You can even scroll here. So we'll try that one. And you can change the font size through the drop-down list. So I'll pick 18. And the familiar B for bold, I for italics, A for the font color when it has a color under it. So you can choose different colors here. So we'll try the green. And then these two, increase font size and decrease font size, are by the steps that are listed here. So if I say increase it, it'll go to 20, 22, 24 as I go all the way up, and then it jumps 36, 48, and 72. And then going down, it'll go down in increments of 2 until you get to 11, 10, 9, 8. So it'll do that for you. So this is the Mini Toolbar. It's anywhere that you select an item, you can move away from it to have it go away. Another quick tip is if it goes away and you go, oh, you know what, I needed that, you can right click on the item you selected and it comes up again, but you also get the right click option menu as well, just so you know that that comes up. If you want to turn it off, it just bugs you, you want it out of the way, you can go to the file menu and options, and it's in the general section, and use interface options show Mini Toolbar on selection. If you deselect that, it will turn that feature off. Some people like it, some people don't, but that's what the Mini Toolbar is for.